Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So today we're heading over to Lakeside, which is just over in Essex. A lot of you guys think we're from Essex, but we're actually not. We're from the other side of the bridge in Kent, but we're not too far from Essex, so you kind of get away with thinking that from our accent. But anyway, we're going over to do a bit of house shopping. I've been looking forward to this for so long. We've been working on the house and renovating it for ages, but we are only just really starting to get things to decorate the house and kind of style it up. So we're going over to my favourite place in the world, Homesense. I'm sure most of you know what Homesense is because I've spoken about it so many times in the past. But if you don't, then basically if you love your home, you will love Homesense. It's just the best place to go to find unique and quirky homeware, and it's all at really affordable prices. That's one of the things that I love about it, and I've bought so many things from there for all my different houses over the years, and they're the kind of things that I look at over and over again and I just fall in love with. And they're also the things that people always ask me about as well, like where's that from, and usually it's always Homesense. So yeah, we're going over there to see what treasures we can find in store today. It's part of the TK Maxx family, so you might have heard of TK Maxx, but if you don't know where your local Homesense is, which is all homewares, then I'll leave a little link in the description box for you to go and find their store locator so you can see where your local one is, because trust me, you will absolutely fall in love with it. So I thought it'd be really fun to do a little come shopping with me at Homesense video today, and when I get home I'll show you everything that I picked up today in a little haul. Wow, if you need a lamp, this is where to come. It's so beautiful, I could cry. They have loads of really beautiful artwork and you can just spend hours looking through it. I really love all of their abstract prints. I've actually got one in our living room. It's my favourite thing ever. They do quite a lot in this style. Currently just having a look at all the mirrors, and I really love this one. I won't pull it out, but you can see the frame of it is all carved and it's a circular mirror. That's really, really beautiful. We're looking for something to go above the bath. That could look really nice above the bath. See, where else would you find a shelf like this? Absolutely incredible. It's really, really big, so I'm not sure I'll have anywhere to put it, but if I did, I would absolutely love that. Halloween! I mean, look at him, or them. That's cool. Is that very Halloweeny? It's more, well, it's autumny, it's autumnal. Autumnal. My candy. It's a little Halloween garland, and it's got a bat, a mummy, a Frankenstein, a bat. So lovely. I might get that because I think the boys would really like it, and then we can keep it. Archie would love it. For you, obviously, like every year and get it out. What do you think? Do you like that? Yeah. It's cute, isn't it? They've got some really cool planters. I actually really love this one. It's got a really nice texture to it, and I think that could look really nice. Obviously with a planting in the upstairs landing or the downstairs hallway or something, because actually that blue matches our tiles, doesn't it? I'm entering the cushion forest now. If you ever need a cushion, this is where to come. Just sport for choice. I've got loads of throws now as well, I guess because it's getting a little bit chillier. But still going.
That is really nice, isn't it?
That's really beautiful. Look at that. I don't really know where it could go in his room. Everyone knows how much I love my lamps. I remember Lampgate, where you guys all helped me track down a matching marble lamp. These are a little bit similar actually, and they're really beautiful. And I have two. Oh, actually we need to look for a little lamp for Archie's bedroom.
That's quite cool.
That is really cool. I'm looking at that one as well. And he doesn't really have yellow in his room, but that would add like a cool pop of colour, wouldn't it? How much?
$14.99.
That's really good.
That is good for that.
Maybe we could get that for his room. Or they've got this one. It's quite cool. Oh, they've got a few actually. See, that's like the exact colour of his bed, so that would be really cool. Actually looking for a few bits to style up our bathroom a bit, because it's all finished but it's not really got, you know, anything in it. That's really nice. It's fun. I love this. This is also where we buy 95% of the boys' books, because again they always have really unusual ones and they're just so good. Like Archie would love that. I found the candles. Oh, it is candle heaven in here, and they even colour coordinate their candles. Oh, they've got Halloween ones. Cool. And another little trick I love is to go through their greetings cards, because they always have really beautiful, unusual ones, and often they look really nice as little prints around the house as well. So I found some of these cards, and the more I found, the more it made me laugh. And I think I might put some in Elliot's bedroom. And Raising. Raising.
Kardashian Hound, that's quite a good one.
Look, and some of them are dogs, so Elliot will love them. Kardashian Hound. Justin Bieber. So one of the bits I was most excited to have a look around was the kitchen section. Because we need to actually get quite a few bits for it, so I thought I would see what I could find. I'm done. I'm walking out after about an hour of browsing, and I have a very full trolley, so I can't wait to get home and show you what I got. Right, I'm back now. It's actually a different day, because by the time we got back we had to pick Archie up from school, and it just got into the evening routine and it didn't happen. So I'm sitting down now whilst I've got 10 minutes to show you everything that I got. So I'm just going to get straight into it, because there's quite a lot of stuff here. So the first thing is this gorgeous pot. It has this sort of duck egg blue base and this bronzy section into white, and I just thought it looked really unique. We obviously need to get a plant for it, but I absolutely loved it, and I thought it would just make a corner of our house look nice and a little bit more put together. And it was only $12.99, and it's huge. I mean, look at it compared to my head. This one is a little bit smaller, but it's really nice. It's got this blue base which matches our tiles in our porch and hallway. Again, into this white colour, and it's really nice. The bottom's textured and stuff. This one was $24.99 because it came with this base, which actually does fit either pot, so we could swap them out, but I just thought it was really nice. It adds that little bit of mid-century modern look, and yeah, I just love these plant stands. So when we saw that, we just thought we would grab it because the colour was perfect. You'll probably see a bit of a colour theme through this, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to open everything. It's very well wrapped, because quite a lot of the stuff I got was breakable. I also spotted this beautiful ceramic vase, which I loved. I love the colour of it. It goes perfectly with most of our decor, and it was just a really nice pattern. I think it works quite well with any look, from mid-century to quite traditional, so it's just a piece that can work in all sorts of rooms around the house. And it was $7.99, so again, I think that was such a bargain. And also this, I pick up a lot of glassware and vases in Homesense, because They are so inexpensive, but I often get really large ones, and then you get a bunch of flowers and they don't sit right in it because they're so big that you would need the hugest bunch of flowers to fit it. So I thought one where it went a little bit narrower at the top of the vase would work much better, so like a normal bouquet would fit. Does that make sense? Anyway, it was $5.99. It's just a really nice thing to have in case anyone buys me flowers, Ricky, hint hint. I also picked up this cute little pot because I loved the face on it. This is definitely going to go in my office. I just want a few little quirky things in there, and just to keep it looking really cool. And this was only $3.99. So how cute would this look with a little plant come out the top like it's the person's hair? Then I did go a little bit crazy on the greeting card section. So I think I showed a clip of this in the video, but I had to get these cards. I just thought I could make a little gallery wall in Elliot's bedroom with these funny cards because I actually found Miley-saurus. So I just can't, every time I read them I just laugh. I just thought they're really cute, really funny. I know he won't know who any of these people are for many years, but I think they just look really cool, and the colours were great. So I got Miley-saurus, Kardashian Hound, I'm not going to laugh, Justin Bieber, K9 West, Rosie, which is one of my favourites, and Lady Baba. I also picked up a couple of nice decorative ones. This one says home is where the heart is, and it has a really pretty envelope, but I'll probably just put this on a pin board or a frame, in a frame. And this one says oh yeah, ooh la la. And then I also picked up this card, which is actually for a friend that's just had a baby. It just says welcome little one, with little animals on it. And then I found these adorable cards, which again I think I might use as art in Archie's bedroom. I think they're like, they stand up 3D cutout animal card. So I got a lion, a monkey and a bear, and they're all dressed and they just look so cute. So they were $1.99 each. And then the other cards I got were all, yeah, $1.99 each as well. I couldn't do a Homesense haul without buying a candle, could I? But I was very restrained and I just bought one this time. I found this, which is just beautiful. I don't know how well it's coming up on the camera, but it's like a green, like a bluey green marble, and then it has the candle inside. It just has a little gold top with a little pulley thing. It was $7.99, and inside it's a white mulberry cedar candle. I'm not gonna lie, I did buy the candle more for the pot because it comes out as well, but it smells really good. But the thing I loved about this is, yeah, you can take the candle out and you could use this as just a pot, or you could put another candle in it when it burns, when it's fully burnt. I just thought it was lovely. So for $7.99. Two of my favourite things that I found were these little mugs. They're Halloween themed, so they're not great for all year, but I just thought they'd be really nice as the boys get older to have a hot chocolate or something in, just be really festive through the autumn season. So there's one with bats and one with pumpkins. Then I got quite a lot of bowls. Please excuse the amount of bowls I got, but I just loved them, and because we've got the new kitchen now, I just thought it was a really nice excuse to get some new ones and some ones that I'm going to put on some display shelves as well. So I just love the effect that these have. They're just so beautiful. They were $5.99 each, but I just absolutely loved them and I just couldn't pass them up. They're just so unique and beautiful. So I got 4 of those. Then I picked up 2 of these. I think they only had, no, maybe I got 3. They only had 3, otherwise I would have got 4. But they were reduced to £2.50, and again I just thought they were beautiful. In the kitchen I don't really want to just have one colour. I just want to have a mixture of like neutral tones, bluey greens, that kind of thing. So I'm hoping when everything's finished in there it will all come together. But I thought they were really beautiful as well. A really gorgeous pattern. And then I found this mug, which I fell in love with. Again, it's that sort of neutral bluey tone, and it also has gold flecks in it. And this was only $3.99. And then I found this Pestle and Mortar. I've actually wanted one of these for so long. I don't know why. But I finally picked one up because, again, I want to put it on my little display shelf. It was £4.49, and it's just a white little ceramic one. So I just thought that was really cute. I really liked that. And also for the kitchen I found this really sweet little chopping board. I have a really large one and I'm on the lookout for a medium sized one, and this is going to be my small one. I'm going to stack them up together just because I thought that would look quite cool. And this was only £9.99, and just the wood, it just looks really nice. It's really beautiful, so I picked that up. And then also for the kitchen I found this, which I believe is meant for a bathroom. But where the boys are really little, especially Archie when he washes his own hands, I don't really trust him yet with something that's glass because that will smash in like 2 seconds. So I thought I'll get this for the kitchen, and it's just going to look really nice. I love the pump on it, and I've also bought some clear washing up liquid to go in it so it stays looking this nice. But I don't know how well it's coming up on camera, but the glass is just so beautiful, and I loved it so much. This was £9.99, and they had quite a few of these, so hopefully you'll be able to find one in your local store because it's just gorgeous. I also found this really cute little camper van, which I thought would be perfect for Archie's room. He's got loads of built-in shelves in his bed, which I'm going to show you guys soon, and he just needs some stuff to fill it, so he really loves this, and he thinks it's really cool when he saw it. It's just made of like a metal, and it was, how much was it? It was £24.99, but I just thought this was something that he could keep for years, and he can, you know, even have when he's a teenager, and it's just really, really nice. So I got him that, and I would actually love to own one of these, like a real one. And also to go in his bedroom, we've been on the lookout for a lamp, and we just thought this was so cool. I think I've showed you this in store. This part is a very similar colour to his bed and the theme of his room, and it's on this really nice gold stand. This would look gorgeous anywhere around the house, in your office, you know, it's just really cool. And I think it was, yeah, it was £14.99. I also couldn't resist picking another thing up for Halloween because I thought it was the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a little Halloween knitted garland, or is it, I think it's more felt actually, but I just thought it was really nice. Obviously the boys are so young, so to get really scary things isn't really that appropriate at the moment, so I like to get things that are a little bit more like cute Halloween, and I just think this is something we can keep for years and years, put it up on the fireplace, and it's just gonna look so good. So it's got the little bats, mummies and Frankensteins, and it was £14.99, which for the amount of work in it I think is really, really good. These panels, they're voile panels, but I just couldn't pass them up because they have like these little knitted like almost pom-poms on them, but they're not, I can't really explain them, but I fell in love with them. They're the perfect bluey grey colour. I don't quite know where I'm going to put them yet, if they'll end up in our bedroom or downstairs somewhere in the hallway. And then we got this cushion, which I'm not going to be able to show you all in one go because it's so big. So it's this long. The best bit about it, again, matches the curtains kind of. They've got these little pom-poms on the end in this grey blue colour, like they're so similar to this, it's so cute, and tassels, and it's just the most beautiful. I think, I'm not sure if it's a bolster cushion, but basically I think it's meant to go across the whole of a bed. And we nearly put this back because we just didn't know where we were going to put it. We didn't really know if we would put it in our bedroom, and we just thought, oh, there's nowhere really in the house for it, but we just both loved it. And when we came home, like story time now, when we came home, my dad and granddad were cutting down a desk that we've turned into a bench for our hallway, which I'll try and insert a little clip of this on it. And when we got back, they were doing that, and they were like, oh, you got the cushion for the bench? And we were like, oh my god, it's perfect for the bench, it just fits it. So you know those situations where it was just meant to be? This was just meant to be. So I'm so glad I didn't leave it in the shop because I would have got home and been so gutted. It was, how much was this one? £24.99 for this huge cushion. So yeah, this was definitely one of my favourite picks. Kind of saved the best till last. I think that's everything. I know I'm going to find something that someone's put somewhere else in the house later and I'll be like, no, but this was so much fun. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much, Homesense, for working with me. If you like this kind of video and you'd like me to do more homeware hauls as we get more stuff for the new house, then please give this a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, then please go and click the subscribe button, I think it's down there, to be subscribed to my videos, and the bell button to be notified whenever I make a new one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!